Hi
Oh,
from Canada.
congratulations.
Thank you. You know what? I would never be able to be on a daytime Zoom if I wasn't retired because I would still be at my 9 to 5. It
Mhm.
is such an honor. This is my first daytime Zoom, so yay! Guys, I am a 56-year-old grandma. Yes, I had a birthday recently. So now I'm 56, but I retired when I was 55. So just it's just a week before my 56th birthday. 8 years ago, I became a grandma for the first time. And prior to that, my whole life, and many of you probably are in the same boat because we were taught work hard, make the necessary sacrifices to provide for our family, and we did. We needed double incomes, so I worked and, you know, missed out on, sadly, some milestones in my kid's life because I was working. And you know what? You just think, well, that's just part of life. That's what you have to do. And back then, honestly, that's what you had to do. There were no options like we have today. Today, there's so many more options, which is fabulous. But when I became a grandma, my heart of hearts, I said to my husband, I was like, I don't want to miss any more of those milestones, not with my grandkids. You know what? It's like having a do-over almost. You become a grandma. And I was like, so then I was desperate. I'm like, I have to find another way to create an income. We still needed money for retirement. We got our financial act together late. So we still needed income. There was no like, that's it. I've quit. I'm going to stay home. It wasn't an option, right? So that led me to doing home parties, multi-level marketing, network marketing, selling insurance, like you name it, I tried it. And that was like 3 years. And that really sucked more of my time, right? Because a lot of it I had to do in the evenings because I was working, leaving the house. And then I saw something on Facebook about online. So I was like, really? You can actually make money online? It was new to me. And that was about 5 years ago. So that led me to the online world. That led me to trying multiple things online, just like I did offline. I was trying high ticket something, something, and then I was trying affiliate marketing. I tried Amazon influencer, like you name it, friends, I tried it. And I actually finally started making a little bit of money with affiliate marketing. I was like, okay, I finally found something to work. I found money. 25% commission is 25% commission. But to me, it was like exciting because I was making money. Saw her saying about this 100% profit, and I was like, hey, what is she talking about? Like, what is this? So I looked into it more, just like you guys are here today looking into it more. And I was like, oh my goodness. I could do the exact same things I'm doing with affiliate marketing and make 100% instead of 25%. I I was like, okay, like sign me up. Like that was a no-brainer to me. So literally, friends, like I can't even believe it. It's been 8.5 months. My life has radically flipped upside down. And I'm telling you, flipped upside down from going short to retirement to probably working till I was 80 because needing that income to being retired in 8 months. Yeah, I know it's like, yay, I can't. I know it sounds hard to believe. I understand that, but when Michelle shared earlier about opening the doors to the global economy, that's it. That's why you can see these unbelievable results and numbers out there. I'm just going to show you right now from my phone today alone. Can everybody see my phone? I don't know. It's probably backwards. You see that money? Today, and it's only 12:30 in up here in Ontario, Canada. Today, right? I have now made, I haven't totaled it recently, but over, I like to say this, it sounds better, $500,000 than 500,000. Either way, I'll take it, right? Like, I know it's my husband was skeptical when I started, guys, because look at my track record, right? Trying so many things. I did lose money on my journey, and he was skeptical. And and now he's thanking me from the bottom of his heart that I didn't give up on my journey of trying to see what worked. And when you find something that works, I just shout it from the rooftop because if my life can change, why can't yours? I'm just an everyday, ordinary grandma. There's nothing super special about me. Other, like my grandkids, of course, think I'm special, but you know what I mean? Like, there's nothing online special about me. Like, I don't have any tech skills. I don't have any abilities other than what I've learned over my years of life and living. The one thing I do have is determination to keep going and trying again. And that was my greatest asset because God brought me to this and I thank him every day for this life-changing opportunity. There are ways to radically change your retirement, to change your life by saying yes to trying something for me again or for the first time. So, guys, this is, like I said, thought, okay, if this grandma could do it, this grandma could do it. So, yay to grandmas. Thanks, guys, from here in Ontario, Canada.